Hi guys, welcome back to the Crazy Aryan. In this video, I'm going to say the frequently asked questions about Windows 11. So guys, let's go for the first question. Can we upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11? The answer is, as Microsoft has released Windows 11 on 24 June 2021, Windows 10 and Windows 7 users want to upgrade the system with Windows 11. As of now, Windows 11 is a free upgrade and everyone can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. So guys, now let's go for the second question. The second question is, can Windows 11 run on 2 GB RAM? And the answer is, your PC should have at least 4 GB of RAM to able to run Windows 11. If your old PC has 2 GB of RAM, you cannot install Windows 11, and that is why you will need to go shopping for a new one or physically increase the RAM on your PC. System firmware. Your PC needs to have UEFI and secure boot for Windows 11. And the third question is, will all laptops get Windows 11? The answer is, if your existing Windows 10 PC is running Windows 10 2021 or later and meets the minimum hardware specifications, it will be able to upgrade to Windows 11. The upgrade rollout plan is still being finalized, but for most devices already in use today, we expect it to be ready sometime in early 2022. And the fourth question is, can I refuse Windows 11? If you decline the update, you might still see pop-up reminders asking you to upgrade to Windows 11 unless your PC does not support it. After Windows 10 support expired in 2025, Windows 10 will still work, will just be a greater security risk. And the fifth question is, what features will Windows 11 have? And the answer is, Windows 11 features a clean design with rounded corners, pastel shades, and a centered start menu and a taskbar. Integrated Android apps. Android apps will be coming to Windows 11 and installable from within the new Microsoft Store via the Amazon Appstore. And guys, you help my channel to reach 1K subscribers. So I'm thanking you all guys from my bottom of my heart that you made my channel 1K subscribers. And guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Guys, please stay home and stay safe. Thank you.